Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm a licensed esthetician for 2 years. Today I'm here to talk to you about makeup brushes. They all look the same, but they definitely have a distinct job. First and foremost, with mineral makeup, the kabuki brush is the most important. It gives you the round circular motion to get into the lines to ensure good coverage. It's a little short brush, very hard, and it's very compact, but it's the best brush to apply mineral makeup. The round, medium-sized brush will usually always be your blush brush. You'll see that it's fuller. You don't want it to be too big, and you want it to be a little bit contoured, so when you go up, you will not get a solid line. And then we have the brushes for the eyeshadow. Many different brushes. The nice angled one is wonderful for the corners to get in there. The smaller one with an angle works well to get in here for your highlighting. And then the blender brush is good to blend all your colors together so you do not have any lines. And lastly, one of the little angled brushes, this is great for the brow. You put a little bit darker color on it and then you tap, tap, tap into the brow. No line, tap, 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 so it looks much more natural. And then, of course, our finishing brush, which is for our loose powder. And we do big circular motions all over the face to give that nice finishing look.